Hi guys, we're trying to get into the vlog. How does this work? Hola, see? Yeah. Hey guys, still repping VCU. The gym looks like a club, low-key. Look at this. It looks like a club. And we get a little trainer today. What's his name?
I don't know.
Oh.
Si tu veux faire le même, tu vois, c'est ça. Et sinon, t'en refais un plus 1 pour le deuxième. Voilà. Si tu veux un premier bloc à 10 minutes à telle vitesse, un deuxième bloc à 10 minutes à telle vitesse, comme ça, t'as pas à changer manuellement.
D'accord.
Voilà. Simplement.
Ok. D'accord. On va mettre un autre accélérateur pour les.
It's like you're running on a course. How cool is it? Pick out what type of exercise you want to do, like which area. We chose abs because I need to get my legs together. Okay, so then you can see the type of exercises that you do. And then après, they come up on this little screen over here in this room. It's really cool. But yeah, we're gonna do that next. But yeah, we're next. So, yeah. Merci. So we have a little mat. We're about to take the virtual instructor. I really like this gym so far. But yeah, I'm tired and my back hurts. So. That's it, little guys. Yes, we're taking a break because this is just so hard. This guy is insane. They have the time over here. 6 minutes left. In our defense, we started at like 15 minutes, 14 minutes, so like after this. We ran, yeah.
Abs.
We did abs, we did circus. Okay, here we go. We're going back. So guys, I eat the same thing for lunch every day, mostly, right? Every single day. Yay. So this is the salad that I get. It's quinoa, arugula, chicken, carrots, and balsamic vinaigrette dressing. It's so good. From this place called Lumi's. If you're ever in Paris and you want like a salad bar, try Lumi's. It's really good. We just had such good crepes here. If you're in Paris, come here and get a crepe. OOTD, simple. We're looking for shoes. We're at Galleries Lafayette. We're back at the gym. Yay. Here we are. But yeah, see you guys on the treadmill. So I had a really bad day at work today. Like the worst day I've ever had. It's just like one of those days that's kind of like a wake-up call to you that makes you like just put everything into perspective and like, yeah, it just really like eye-opening. I don't know, it was just like a horrible day. So I don't want to just show you guys like when everything is all candy and rainbows and Gucci and I'm all happy. Like, no, I have bad days too. Like, I have hard times too. Like, I struggle too. And today was one of those days, and like, it's really hard. It's really hard to stay motivated, to want to keep doing anything, to want to, you know, stay inspired, or to feel like, you know, I'm doing anything. You know, it's just like hard. It's hard. And it doesn't get easier just because you're in Paris. So I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna have a glass of wine, and I'll probably be at work early tomorrow because that's just the way this day is going. But I'll talk to you guys later.